Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys a DIY custom lip gloss bags. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the app store, or you have an Android, it's the same thing. Go to PixArt. So after you go to PixArt, you just want to download it. As you can see, it has really good reviews. It's number 8 in camera or something like that. But yeah guys, so after you see this app right here, go ahead and hit download. So when you open the app, you want to hit that purple plus button at the bottom of the screen, and then you just want to scroll all the way down to color backgrounds, and you want to choose a white background. Okay, so after you got there, you just want to hit the text at the bottom. You have to scroll a little bit and hit text, and then you type in whatever you want your bags to say. So I'm going to type in Marissa Cosmetics, and there's a lot of different things you can do from here. So first, I'm just showing you guys an example how you can choose any color you want. They have every single color, as you can see. So here are just some examples of the different colors. And then you also have a color wheel. Again, this app is completely free, by the way. So yeah, it's a color wheel. You can choose like a light pink, dark pink, loud pink, any kind of pink you want you can get. And then you can also hit the gradient tool, where you can have it like an ombre, and you can do any color you want. So as you can see, I'm doing a purple and red, and so yeah, it's a lot of different things you can do with this. So I'm just playing around with it and just showing you some different options, you know. And then you can hit the texture option, where you can have like that kind of stuff on the text, or you can upload your own image. Either one is fine. So yeah, that is how you use those two tools. And you can scroll over to shadow at the bottom, and you can change the blur, the opacity, the position of the shadow, and the color. So yeah, this is a great app to make like custom logos and stuff like that. But I'm just showing you guys all the different things that you can do with it, or you can just keep it plain and simple like I did. But yeah, I'm just messing around with it right now, show you some different colors, things like that. So yeah, you can spend hours just messing around with it. But me, I just wanted something quick, simple, and easy. So yeah. Yeah, and the outline can also be different colors. It doesn't have to be black, by the way. And now I'm going on to fonts. So as you can see, there's a lot of different fonts you can also choose from. I'm just thickening the text so it will be a little bit thicker. Just showing you an example of how you can do that. So I honestly like to stroke all my text because I like them to be nice and thick. But yeah, I thought that was pretty, but like I didn't go with that one. But yeah, I'm adding a shadow, just, you know, messing around with it. So yeah, now I'm just showing you some different kind of fonts. Now all the fonts that have a crown on it, you have to be a VIP member. I think it's like $3.99 a week. I think that's what it is. If it's not $3.99 a week, it's $3.99 a month. I'm not sure. But yeah, guys, if you're going to buy like a light color bag, I recommend doing a darker text, maybe black. But yeah, so now I'm just showing you how you can add emojis. What you would do is just hit the sticker option at the bottom, and then you can add whatever emoji you would like to it. So I know a lot of people like to do the crowns above their head. So yeah, I'm just doing a crown over my name. So you just type in whatever kind of sticker you want. And if the sticker has like a crown on it or something on it, that means it's for a VIP member. So you cannot use that on the free plan. You have to be a VIP member to use that. And then I'm just going over to the blend option where you can have it like in the background, have it lighter, darker, or whatever. You can place it wherever you want. So again, if it has a crown on the sticker, that means you have to be a VIP member. But yeah, I'm just showing you some examples of what you could do with your design. Again, I recommend keeping it plain and simple, but you can do whatever you like. But yeah, I think these would be good to do for like just your brand logo. I don't know about on the bags, but just like, you know, as your profile picture or like on your website. So I'm typing in some glitter right now, and I'm just going to choose whatever I like. There's a lot of different options, but that is what I chose for like the background. So you will just make that big and then go over to blend so it can blend in with your text like that. But then you want to try to get that inside the box. So what I did was I made my text smaller, then I had to readjust my crown and all that. So it might take some time to get used to, or it might take some time to like place everything like you want it, but you'll eventually get it, no worries. But again, you don't have to do all this extraness like I'm doing now. I'm just showing you guys some example. So I accidentally deleted the crown, so that's why I had to re-get the crown back. But yeah, I'm just making that smaller and then putting that on my M. And guys, I'm doing this all from my phone. I don't know if PixArt is available for iPad, but if it is, that's probably what I would be doing from now on, just doing on my iPad. I wish they had it for MacBook. That would be so much easier. Everything's so much easier doing it from your computer. So as you can see, I kept grabbing the wrong thing, so that's why it took me a second to get everything back where it needs to be, but eventually I got it. So yeah, something like that, which is really pretty. But while I was doing this, I was like, I'm doing way too much. I need to just be doing the plain, simple text. But I was like, why not go all out for this video, you know? So I found some more glitter. And I just put that like on the background to make it stand out a little bit more. So yeah, I kind of didn't like the way that looked, but you know, it's just a thought. So yeah, I think I got rid of everything. I just want to show you guys the basic design of what you can do. So after that, you just hit finish and you hit save. Now I'm going to go back to the App Store, and you want to type in AliExpress. So this is what it looks like for everybody that's new to AliExpress. So I'm not going to update it. I'm just going to open it. So as you can see, it has great reviews, number 17 in shopping. So open up AliExpress, and this is the link that you want to go to. I will leave this link in the description box. So please make sure you check the description box to get this link. So what you want to do is you can look at all different colors they have. So it's $27. For a size 10 by 15 cm. That is the size that I got. And you get 100 for $27. Now that's for the plain bag. Now you want your name on it, like customize like your own logo. Then you have to contact the seller, hit the contact seller button. And then you just let them know how many bags you want, and they'll give you a price. And then you just send them your logo on a white background. So very simple, very easy. Again, these are kind of pricey. The more you buy, the better the discount you get. So I recommend buying a lot. But I will leave prices in the description, and I'll also say it in the video. So don't forget, you want to scroll all the way down until you see the contact seller button, and then you just let them know how many bags you want, ask them for a price, and then send them your logo, and then ask them for like a sample of what it would look like. So they'll just send you like a design of what it would look like printed out. And the bags took about a week to print and another 2 weeks to ship. If you order over 100 bags, you'll do automatic free express shipping. No, not if you order 100 bags, if you order over $100. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to show you guys my new jewelry bags that I ordered for my business. So as you guys can see, they say Marisa Cosmetics, and they're like this light pink, and they are so freaking pretty. I will put prices in the video and the description because I don't remember how much I paid exactly. But yeah guys, these are so freaking pretty, and the size is 10 by 15 cm. So this is the bag. So of course they have wrinkles in it, but that's okay. And then they have a couple of flyaways, as you can see, but that's fine. So I think I ordered 400 of these, and this is what it looks like with it drawn up. So as you can see, it's really pretty. So it says Marisa Cosmetics. But yeah guys, they're really soft, they're great quality. They don't feel too thin, but they don't feel that thick, but they feel pretty good though. So I would definitely recommend these. Again, the size is 10 by 15 cm. And they also sent me some free gifts. So they sent me this one I thought was really pretty, and they have this right here. So what you would do, you would just pull it like this, pull it like that, and then just kind of scrunch up. But yeah, that was really pretty. And then here's the back. And then they also sent me this one right here. I thought this was too cute. Of course, it again has little flyaways, but this was too cute. However, this is like really too small. I mean, I could fit something in here, but it is kind of on the small side. But it's really pretty though. I really like the way this looks. And the back, I love the texture, and I love the way this one feels. They only sent me 2 of these, I think, or 3. I don't know what I did with the 3rd one. But yeah, this is what it looks like, kind of scrunched up. So yeah, this is what it looks like, scrunched up. But as you can see, that's really pretty. So yeah, that was pretty. But yeah, so those were the other 2 that they sent me. But these right here is what I actually paid for. But this was so freaking pretty. Like, I just love the way this feels. It took them a week to print because I ordered 400. And then it took another maybe a week and a half to come, so not too long. But yeah, so I really love these. I definitely recommend these. I will leave the link in the description, so please don't ask me where did I get them from. The link will be in the description. It's from AliExpress. Again, I purchased 400 of these, and I will leave prices in the description and in this video. But like, yeah guys, so what do you guys think? So it's pretty good quality, very shiny. Again, it's like a pearl pink, which is really pretty. They have other colors. They had like a blue, a black, white, and I think a silver. But yeah, I don't think they do glitter, but you guys can ask. But the price will probably be a lot more, so I recommend just getting a regular color, and maybe black, because you know black's going to show the best, it's going to print the best. So when I got it, they did kind of stick together, because I guess, you know, the heat, so the ink kind of sticks to the back of the jewelry bag. So as you can see, there's kind of like some black ink here. I know it's really hard to see, but it's very light, so you can hardly even see that. But yeah guys, it's still pretty good quality. And like, the size again is 10 by 15, and it looks even bigger than my other jewelry bags that are 10 by 15. It's very wide, so you can fit a whole bunch of glosses in here. That's what I also like. But yeah, the sellers are really friendly, very nice, and they sent me like like 6 extra of these, and then they sent 2 of these, and then 2 of these too. But yeah, guys, and then I sent them the design, so I got my own font. They did not design it for me, but yeah, but I'm sure they will do designs for you if you just ask them to, but it might take a little longer. But yeah, guys, these are so dope. So let me know, which ones did you like better? Did you like these, or the white ones? I like the white ones. It's just that I'm not a fan of this texture. You can see it kind of just looks dirty to me. Well, it's not like dirty, but you know what I mean. Like, I'm just not a fan of white in general. Like, I need some color. Like, a black would have been pretty, and maybe the Marisa Cosmetics in pink. Now that would be pretty, but I don't know. I just kind of wanted pink because, like, pink's my favorite color. And then this one, I like this one because it's nice and thick. I like the texture. It's different, but I just wish it was a bit bigger. But I'm sure you can get this size too. I mean, you can get this texture. Just tell them you want a different size. I don't know what size this is because, again, this was a free gift, but it's definitely not a 10 by 15 because, like, look at that. Can't be the same size. But yeah, guys, I think next time I might go with this one. But then I don't know because I really like the silk. I don't know, it's so hard to choose, but I just wish that my name was maybe bigger on it, like this one. See how, like, all that space on the side? I wish it would have been bigger, but then it kind of needs to be small, so when you scrunch it up like this, you can actually see my name, you know. So when I scrunch it up like this, you can see my name. Otherwise, it would be kind of too big. But they did a really good job overall. The printing looks good. It doesn't look cheap at all. It doesn't feel cheap. It definitely wasn't cheap. It was kind of expensive, but I was like, you know what? I want to go big, so I'm like, I don't mind spending the extra $100 and something on it, because, like, packaging is everything, okay? But yeah, guys, so as you can see, I ordered so many. So it comes in big bags like this, and it says Naila's, I think I'm saying that, I'm probably saying that wrong. Pouches, bad user, always have good luck. That was nice. But I'm gonna see if there's anything on the back, so I'm gonna open this up. Okay, logo, buyer logo, suggest have own logo gift bag. But yeah, this is really a cute card though. So shout out to Naila's, maybe that's Naila's pouches. I hope I'm saying that right. Bags also have good luck. So stop what you're doing, guys, and definitely check them out. They have really good prices. They're not too expensive at all. It's definitely worth it, guys. And then you get free gifts. Like, you cannot beat that. This is my bag that I show all my packages in. It says Marisa Cosmetics, MarisaCosmetics.com. So it's just a little tote bag, you know, nothing fancy, as you can see. Just a regular, it's just a regular tote bag, nothing too fancy. But yeah, it's a pretty good size, very pretty. Yeah, that is pretty much how I said organize. I always put my packages in this bag.